Sana liked to take late evening walks in the park. One night, she saw an old man sitting on a bench. He was staring at the pond, unmoving. She greeted him, but he didn't respond. Thinking he might be cold, she offered her scarf. The man slowly turned his head. His eyes were pure white. Sana stumbled back in fear. The man smiled unnaturally wide. Without a sound, he stood up and walked into the dark trees. Sana ran home and locked her door. The next day, she told her neighbor about it. The neighbor's face went pale. That bench has been empty for years, ever since the old man drowned in the pond.